Are you tired of your wind chimes always making your dog go run and hide? Are your bridges always falling down? On your plane, flap like a bird's. And how many times has this happened to your rocket? Structural Dynamics! With Structural Dynamics, you can not have your bridge fall down.
Didn't fall down.
Save an entire building from the strongest earthquakes.
With base isolation, the hospital rolled through even the most violent emotions. Without base isolation, the building stands, but the damage is severe.
Or even launch a freaking helicopter to Mars!
L-7 minutes.
Status check to proceed with terminal count. Atlas systems, propulsion. Go. Hydraulics. Go. Pneumatics.
Go.
LO2. Go. Water. Go. Electrical systems, airborne. Go. Ground. Go. Facility. Go. RFFTS. Go. Flight control. Go. GCQ. Go. Operations support.
Go.
Com. Go. Umbilicals. Go. ECS. Go. Red line monitor. Go. Quality. Go. Op safety manager. Go. DLA safety officer. Go. Vehicle system engineer. Go. Knowledge. Go. Range coordinator. Clear proceed. Launch director. LDs go and you have permission to launch. Proceeding with the count. ALC. Verified T0 is set for 11:50 zone.
4. Engine ignition. 2. 1. 0. And liftoff as the countdown to Mars continues. The perseverance of humanity launching the next generation of robotic explorers to the Red Planet.
And we have successful separation of Mars 2020 with the Perseverance rover.
Hi, I'm Brendan with the American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics. Thanks for letting me have some fun with that infomercial. Today, we're going to be experimenting with some of the fundamentals of structural dynamics and using what we observe to engineer an outcome. Structural dynamics is all about understanding and controlling sound, vibration, and motion in the physical world around us. So keep clicking along with us, because with structural dynamics, you can do anything. Well, lots of things.